How to use custom invoice numbers in QuickBooks. QuickBooks automatically assigns numbers to your sales forms starting with 1001. As a business owner who raises invoices to your customers, you may want to use customized invoice numbers to suit your needs. We've got you covered. For smart invoicing, switch to QuickBooks, the new age accounting software for modern businesses. In this video, you will learn how to use custom invoice numbers in QuickBooks. Log into your QuickBooks account and select the gear icon at the top right. Select Company Settings under Settings. Click Sales on the left. We want to edit the sales form content here, so click the pencil icon on the right. Check Custom Transaction Numbers to turn it on. Click Save and then click Done. You have successfully turned on Custom Transaction Numbers. Now you can use your own numbers. Let's create an invoice. Go back to your home page and select the plus icon at the top right. Select Invoice under Customers. In this form, you can see that invoice number has now appeared on your right. You can customize this to any number, and QuickBooks will start counting from that number onwards. Switch to QuickBooks and start using customized invoice numbers.